Welcome to the last vlog of summer vacation. Hi. Say hello, kids.
Hi. 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 Hello, kids.
We are on the way to the car show in Lockport. Check out the cars, get a Slurpee, have a little fun. I'm going to show you all the cars, shit like that. Isn't this what vloggers do? Vloggers supposed to like hold the camera and film their feet. If so, then I'm awesome. Also, vloggers film their neck, like a lot. So here's my neck. It's time for Slurpees, bitches. What's this mess?
What? It's water-free.
What's in it?
All kinds of flavors.
What do I want? What do I want? What do I want? I want pop. I want pop. Let's get pop. Yes. Say hi.
Very, very happy birthday wishes tomorrow to twin brothers Eugene and Andrew, and wish them many, many more. We had a request for Elvis.
Well, it's one for money, two for the show. Under my name all over the place. We'll do anything that you want to do.
Doom buggy. Alright, I'm just going to walk around with the kiddos. Sorry about my hand right there. We're going to enjoy the car show a little bit, walk around, get some ice cream in a little while, and I'll catch up with you guys later.